Today, we're going to talk about something that's essential to our overall health, but often overlooked: our gut health. A healthy gut helps keep chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer at bay, reduces inflammation, keeps your brain healthy, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. The foods we eat play a crucial role in maintaining our gut health. Our gut, or digestive system, is home to millions of bacteria and other microbes, both good and bad. These microbes, collectively known as the gut microbiome, help break down the food we eat into nutrients that our body can use. When we consume a balanced diet rich in certain types of foods, we can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut. For instance, foods high in fiber are excellent for our gut health. This is because our body can't digest fiber, but certain bacteria in our gut can. When these bacteria digest fiber, they grow and thrive, helping to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. So, let's explore the best foods for gut health and why they're beneficial. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and yogurt are rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. Eating these foods adds good bacteria to your gut, helping to balance the ratio of good to bad bacteria within the gut microbiome. Kimchi, for instance, is fermented cabbage and is one of the top foods for improving gut health. The fermentation process results in postbiotics, non-living metabolites that provide a health benefit when consumed. Research on postbiotics has shown they help balance the microbiome in our gut and maintain digestive health. Almonds. Almonds are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, and are a great nut option for supporting your overall health. These nuts help to support the gut microbiome and are definitely good for gut health. Yogurt. Yogurt, especially the ones with live cultures, is an excellent source of probiotics. These friendly bacteria are beneficial for our gut health, helping to maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. Onions. Onions are another great probiotic-rich food that contributes to better gut health. They are also high in fiber, which acts as food for healthy gut bacteria. Olive oil. Gut bacteria and gut microbes like a diet of fatty acids and polyphenols, which are found in olive oil. Studies have shown that it helps reduce gut inflammation. Some studies have also found olive oil to be beneficial in easing indigestion problems. Bananas. One of nature's handiest and healthiest snacks, bananas are full of the kind of fiber that good bacteria enjoy. They also contain healthy minerals. Artichokes. Artichokes are a great source of fiber and prebiotics, which are food for our gut bacteria. They help to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in polyphenols, which are beneficial for gut health. Gut bacteria feed on polyphenols and produce beneficial substances, which in turn have a positive influence on certain conditions, including cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and aging. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas, are high in fiber and protein. They are beneficial for gut health as they provide food for the good bacteria in the gut. Whole grains. Whole grains act as food for healthy gut bacteria. They are high in fiber, which is beneficial for gut health. So, in simple terms, the foods we eat are important for our gut health because they can influence the types and amounts of bacteria in our gut. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber and fermented foods can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, leading to a healthier gut and overall better health. On the other hand, processed foods often contain added sugars, fats, and salts, which can negatively impact our gut health. These foods may also lose many of their original nutrients during the manufacturing process, making them less beneficial for our gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is the center of the universe. Anything that goes into your gut will essentially affect any other organ in your body. Another way to promote gut health is by using probiotics. We have several interesting videos on this topic, and I believe you will like the video we are suggesting above.